Hi everybody, welcome back to part 4 of our solo servings mini-series. Today we're making Thai flavored Yuba. If you don't know what Yuba is, I'm going to show you in the next little bit. So Yuba is dried bean curd. It's formed when the skin, when you're making tofu, on top, so that is taken out, dried. It comes in sticks, knots, and sheets. So for the flavor, we need a teaspoon of sesame seeds, an inch knob of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 chili peppers of your choice. I'm using bird eye, and 2 scallions. We're going to give these a little choppity chop, and we can pop these in the same container as our sesame seeds because we're going to stir fry them all at the same time, and it just makes your life a little easier. A couple other ingredients we need are about 1/4 of a lime, about a teaspoon and a half of juice, and 1.5 cups of basil. Now we're going to boil our Yuba for 2 minutes in some boiling water. Before taking that off the heat and draining it and setting that aside. Then in a larger wok or heavy bottom pot, we're going to add a tablespoon of neutral oil, let that heat up, add in all of our aromatics, stir fry that for 2 minutes before adding in our Yuba. Stir fry that for 2 minutes, making sure to coat it in that oil that's picked up all of those flavors. Next, we're going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of fish sauce, a 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. This juice of that 1/4 of a lime, so about a teaspoon and a half, and a teaspoon and a half of maple syrup. And this encompasses all those Thai flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, spicy. Stir fry that for 2 minutes before shutting off the heat and adding in our basil. That residual heat will wilt down the basil. I'm using Thai basil because I love that flavor. It's a little more peppery, but just use domestic if you can't find Thai basil. Now to plate, we are going to take our favorite bowl, put in a little rice, top it with our Yuba stir fry, and garnish with a little extra basil. And this is looking absolutely delicious. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. The Yuba has picked up all of those beautiful flavors. It's a little chewy. It has a ton of texture to it. It's a perfect substitute for animal protein. And it is absolutely delicious. And it tastes like my favorite Thai basil. But there it is. Thai flavored Yuba. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate you. If you like this video, give a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again. And until next time, happy cooking.